Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create a branch through explicit. So let's start. First of all, create a pipe zone. If you have created already, so no need to create it. Create pipe, attribute, dismiss it. Go to pipe, create branch, here explicit and OK. Just click apply. Look, plan look, it is here. So we need our explicit branch should be from here to here. So we need a position. So I will give minus 15,000 to east. Click apply. It will come here. If I want more, then I can give 1700. Then I want north in 15,000. Click apply. I am giving 2000. Now if we see in north position, it is here. So we need to measure distance to meet this level. Go to measure, click graphics, click this and match this. Go to exact center of it and match this. So this distance is Z 1320. Just copy it, dismiss, give position here, apply. So it will come up automatically here after applying command, and I am giving 200 bore. Remain this open, apply, dismiss. So our connection is started from here. Now go to create component, create flange, auto connect, choose all, dismiss, create flange. I am creating this flange, gasket, three mm spool, create another flange, weld neck flange. So now I am creating T. We know it is 200 and we need to know its size. So just click navigate to element, click this, and in command line Q P1. So here it's 100 mm. So we need 100 mm T. Go to again T and make sure your selection should be here. Click T, create, and we know we need 100 mm T. Click apply, rotate this through 90 degree. Now we want exactly match this line to this pipe. Just go to measure, make sure your selection is on graphics, click this, match this center, Now go to this center, match this, so its distance is 350.10. just copy it and dismiss. Make sure your selection should be here on T, and paste this, and I am giving a spool. After pasting this, press enter, spool, and we have created our, I forgot to tell you, we have created head here and we have not defined tail point. We will define it later. So we will create another branch. Through connect. Our head is on T. Our tail is on nozzle. Sorry, after clearing, apply. So if your level is correct, it will match automatically. So here we have given connection. Now we will proceed to our explicit branch. Click on this and I will create another T for this. Create 100 mm T, rotate it through 90 degree, and here I need to measure the distance. Go to measure, click on this, match this, match this. So we know distance is 1474.40. just copy it, dismiss, press enter, spool, dismiss it, and now I am creating third branch. Our head tail point is nozzle, head point is T, so it will connect automatically. And you can give a flange here. I am just giving an example. You can create you can create branch through explicit command. So this is only example. Dismiss it. Again come to this, go to create component. I am creating flange, weld neck flange. After creating, I am giving 500 spool. After this, gasket 3 mm spool. It is creating here. After again flange, so it is created. Now our tail point is not yet defined, so we will define it. Our head point is here, our tail point is not yet defined, so just make sure your selection on this branch. This is our third branch, and go to connect branch and click on tail, and last member apply. So here our tail point is defined. Dismiss it. If we have created a correct connection, so we can cross check it by taking isometric. Just go to our selection should be here on pipe, go to utility, pipe isometric, and if it is generated, that means our connection is correct. And this is only example I am showing you. Through explicit command you can create anything. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, then like and subscribe. Thank you.